In the aluminothermic process, last video I shown the diagram. What is happened in the fire clay crucible? Okay, when the ignition mixture in the fire clay crucible, when the ignition mixture is ignited, ignition mixture is nothing but it is a mixture of magnesium and barium peroxide, children. Okay, when the ignition mixture is ignited, the barium peroxide reacts with the magnesium. Magnesium oxide will be formed and barium oxide will be formed. Okay, during this reaction, lot of heat will be evolved. Maybe my 852 kilojoule per mole heat will be evolved. With that heat, the chromic oxide will be reduced by aluminium and chromium is obtained. That's all, children. Take the screenshot, children. If you read thoroughly and concentrate and study and understand and study, chemistry is very easy for you. Even you can easy to attend the competitive exam, children. Okay, understand and study. Thank you.